It's time to tackle these weeds with this garden hoe. It's weeding with the hands. Oh no. Gotta get in here and tackle this area better with this weeding hoe here. Just grab the weeds from the roots there and pull them up. Just gonna go around my pepper plants the best I can with it. I'll try to clean this area up a little better, getting these weeds out of here. Yes. My plants are gonna like that. Looking much better. Okay, peppers. Got most of the weeds from around you. Still got a few in the back there, but it's a lot better. Come on and grow. Grow a lot of peppers for us. I see you right there, Pepper. Okay, okay, peppers. Come on. Come on, grow for us.